Hi, I'm Anna Green. A European facial costs anywhere between $50 and $85 at your typical day spa. I am going to show you how to get a DIY facial for a fraction of the cost of going to a day spa. The products that I'm going to show you total about $40 at Walmart. If you were to buy facial, spa, skincare products that they would use on you in a day spa, you'd be spending about $500 and getting pretty much the same results. So I'll show you the items that you will need to get ready to do your DIY facial, and you'll see that these are basically products that you probably already have around your house. A cleanser. You'll use 4 aspirin, a few drops of honey, an electric toothbrush, a container, anti-wrinkle eye cream, and anti-wrinkle face lotion. We're also going to use a few drops of water to dilute the aspirin to turn it into a powder to use as our scrub and our mask. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is cleanse your skin. The reason you want to cleanse your skin is so that when we exfoliate, we're not pushing dirt and grime down into our pores. So we want to cleanse first. I have already cleansed, so I'm going to skip this in the step, but you cleanse first. Then we will make our scrub and our mask. 4 aspirin into our container. Add just a few drops of water, and you'll be shocked at how fast these aspirin dilute in just a few drops of water. They will turn into a type of powder. I'm just going to help it along a little bit. And aspirin is salicylic acid. If you look at the ingredients on a lot of skincare, especially acne preventative skincare products, you'll see salicylic acid in a lot of them. The aspirin has been turned into powder. Now, we will add a few drops of honey. This will give us a sticky base for our mask, but there are also so many benefits to using honey in a scrub and a mask. Like I said, aspirin is salicylic acid. It also stimulates cell growth. So it prevents acne, stimulates cell growth, and it's grainy enough to use as a scrub. So we've added a few drops of honey. Now we're going to apply it to our face and our neck. Honey is not only an antioxidant, it's also an antimicrobial, which as it dries into a mask is pulling the dirt and bacteria out of our pores. The antimicrobial part of it prevents skin from getting infected again. The waxy composition of honey helps our skin look soft and glowing. Make sure that you also do your neck, because it can wrinkle just like your face. Alright, we've added that. At this point we would wait 10 minutes for the mask to dry, and then we would exfoliate. We're going to pretend I've waited 10 minutes and that this is a dry surface. So, since it will be dry, you'll need to wet your toothbrush a couple of times throughout the process, just so that you can keep the surface moving smoothly. So, we'll wet the toothbrush, and we'll use this all around our skin. The reason I like a toothbrush rather than a buff brush is that it's cheaper, but also you can get into the crevices and any areas that you need. You'll want to operate this in a circular motion, no pressure, just the surface of the skin. We are just removing dead skin at this point. So, we'll go all around the face, removing the dead skin and the neck. At this point, we'll rinse. Now you can, if you are a person with very large pores, at this point you can use a toner. Toner will reduce your pores. A toner dries out my skin, so I don't use one. However, like I said, you can do that if you have large pores. Next step, anti-wrinkle eye cream. It's so important to use an anti-wrinkle eye cream. I've used one since I was 13, taught my daughters to use it as well. An anti-wrinkle eye cream and an anti-wrinkle face moisturizer, which is next in the process. The anti-wrinkle creams that I use, the lotion and the eye cream, have sunblock in them. If yours don't, I would suggest you go ahead and use a sunblock as an added step, because it is so important to prevent wrinkles, to block the UV rays from your skin. Now we have our European facial. Our products cost about $40. Their products cost about $500. I'm 51 years old. I've been doing this for 11 years. I get so many compliments on the fact that I have no wrinkles, that my skin is so youthful and so smooth, and I don't have many skin problems. So, like I said, this is how you have a DIY facial and save yourself a lot of money. Thank you.